would you like to be financially?
Really incredible people here.
Every single time I come here, it's completely different.
And you don't have to be an owner to be $1 million behind the chair style.
It's going to be challenging. It's going to push
What are some
you.
of the skills that have got you here?
In 2 minutes, I just made $300.
At HPSA, we've heard a lot of investment opportunities.
For the next 2-3 days, we are going to be talking all about legacy.
How many of you work with every single client to exceed expectations?
But I want you to understand that whatever happened to you was designed to build you into who you're supposed to be in the future, to help the people you're supposed to help in order to have an incredible life.
A lot of your team, they're fired up. They've listened to these sessions. They've come with you here.
False evidence appearing real. So many people obsess about what might not happen. And I just heard the stat the other day that 82% of what you fear may happen never happens.
What are some tips and tricks that we can share with you to make that one chance worth it?
If you want different results, if you want to grow your income, give yourself a raise.
What are 3 action items that you can do within the next week in order to start accomplishing, in order to move forward? Because we all know sometimes those first steps are the hardest, right?
Two people blow drying you, you get someone handing you a glass of champagne, concierge style taking care of you. You can't get that anywhere else here. So come here because that's the level of experience that we're going to deliver.
You guys are entrepreneurs. What are you? You literally get to write the script for your life.
I love seeing how everyone's vulnerable. We all want to connect with each other. We all want to encourage each other.
We have a lot of information right there in front of us.
There is no cap beyond what I can achieve.
Incredible doesn't just mean you have an extraordinarily large business. It just means you're an incredible human being.